say is I want to congratulate Usha ji for all her efforts putting together such a fantastic foundation. And I'm so glad that I could make it here today and contribute good work. So fantastic and congratulations. So as I said, I was always inclined towards design. And when I started designing my own home in Mumbai, I realized that I loved it and I was extremely passionate about it. And soon after that, I showcased a line for the charcoal project. And shortly after that, I started my own store, Gauri Khan Designs, in a very small space. It was 600 square feet, like tiny.
Really?
And I said, let me give myself a few years or a year to see where I go with this space that I had rented. And fortunately, the store did extremely well. Of course, I put in all my efforts and my time and all the things required to make any profession, moving in the right direction. And when I realized that, I soon launched my flagship store, which is now in Juhu. Actually, that space,
I know.
the road is open for from one side, so I got saved. All the projects that we take on, we have to put in our best foot forward. And so we can't take anything casually, whether it's a small project or it's a large project. But currently I'm working in Imphal. It's more than 1 lakh square feet. It's a hotel. And that is my most challenging projects because firstly it takes nearly 3 days to get there, even if you fly. So just to get the whole team together, matching up and trying to get all the work organized and meeting the deadlines is going to be a huge challenge for us. So I think that, well, I really feel that I'm just leading a very normal life where I am just another working woman like anyone else, and I pick and choose when I want to be in the spotlight, which is only connected to my work. When I need to use the media, as I would say, yes, no. It's important for me, media is important when you're showcasing your work. People have to know what you're doing. So I think it's important and I enjoy that part of it. If you're talking about inspiration, I'll only talk about my work. So my inspiration currently is when I complete a project and I see a smile on my client's face. That just makes my day. And I'm constantly inspired to do good work and just keep moving on and achieve what I want to.
What you're committed
my
to.
goals, yes, achieve my goals. I'm here for Usha ji and I saw her good work and I see what the foundation has achieved and what she's doing, and it's a learning. And I really wanted to be here to see that how she works and how she's put together, working for children, for women, healthcare, so many fantastic,
Endeavors
so much
she's-
work she's done. So I think it's great and I'm glad I'm here.
मैंने बस सोनाली जी उनको एक बार पूछा कि ऐसे ऐसे फंक्शन है आप आओगे, शी सेड ऑफ कोर्स आऊँगी, चैरिटी का काम है तो कभी भी मेरे लिए हाँ है. सो एक वर्ड पे उन्होंने इमीडिएटली हाँ बोला, तो रियली इट्स वेरी नाइस.
It's very nice to meet all of you here and for the cause, for the coffee table book for which we have gathered here. It's a great reason to be together. Felicitation of ladies who have really worked at the ground level and also through CSR like Adar and Gauri ji who have worked on their own. So that is very nice and commendable. And according to me, you asked me regarding social endeavors. I think so. India is a country with a lot of extremities. You have the richest and other side you have the poorest. So the poorest don't have the basic means also to live a good life like good education, good houses. So there is this big, huge gap which we need to bridge. And this can be done with the help of foundations or with the help of groups who intend to do good for the society. And finally, whatever good we do for the society, the way society comes up, it comes back to us. It's not that you are secluded and you have a great life and you forget about it. That doesn't happen. You have to grow in a very wholesome manner so that it affects you finally. You have to have great rivers. You have to have great environment. You have to have educated and people with great values, which will finally improve your own life. सो इट इज़ गुड. जैसे उषा काकडे जी करता आहेत, जशी गौरी जी करता आहेत मीर फाउंडेशनच्या थ्रू, अँड द वे आदर इज वर्किंग. सिमिलरली देर आर पीपल हू रिअली नीड हेल्प, अँड स्पेशली द लेडीज हू आर वर्किंग हिअर. आणि कोणकोणच्या वेगवेगळ्या जागेत जाऊन हे लोक कामं करत आहेत, ही आपल्यासाठी आज जरुरी आहे. क्वालिटी ऑफ एज्युकेशन आणणं, जस्टिस फॉर विमेन आणणं, आणि मॅलन्यूट्रिशन कमी करणं, या सगळ्या बेसिक नीड्स आहेत ज्या आपल्याला केटर करायला पाहिजे, अँड वी हॅव टू डू इट टुगेदर. सो इट इज अबाउट डूइंग थिंग्स टुगेदर, एमिंग टुवर्ड्स अ होलसम डेव्हलपमेंट. In fact, music is a great stress buster. It is like meeting the divine. Whenever I'm singing, sitting on my own and singing, or listening to good quality music, so it is about really relaxing and getting the best out of the day. And for me, music is not just about per se music. It is about changing the world. With music, you can bring about miracles, not just in your physical or mental level, but socially also you can bring about a change. If you take up a topic and make a nice song on it, people are more receptive towards it. This goes back to the old era where in our country also, down south, socio-cultural changes came in because of folk music. Even Adi Shankaracharya, he used to do? He used to preach with music. So we have this history with India. Even in USA, the Civil War, they used so much of music through great musicians like Mr. Bob, who was a great musician that time. He was used for preaching the Civil War intricacies. So it has been since long that we have used music for a social cause also. So when good music accompanies a cause, it can create miracles. Gravis Foundation has also used visual media. They have a movie. उसका नाम क्या है? उड़ने दो. They specified the burning issue of sexual abuse against children. So it was well received by audience. So always music and cinema, that is a great medium to showcase any cause. I've just traveled and not slept, but since I have Gauri Khan in front of me, and I suddenly remember his husband, so I have one song in mind.
Awesome.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो न हो.
I'll go back to my family. I'm from a family of complete doctors from both sides. So I had always seen them doing charity work other than their profession and consultation. So that naturally came to me because of them. The difference then and now is, then I used to go and do whatever I had to do. And there was no one to notice. Like many of the ladies might not have been noticed till Usha Kakade discovered them. It was the same way. But later, after Devendra ji became CM and we came here, so whatever little also I started doing, that got noticed. That was the difference. And regarding preparing for this, I never prepared for this because I believe you should be as normal, like Gauri ji said, you should be as normal as you can, because time changes always, and what remains is good memories in the mind. And how would they be there? Being good to others and getting good wishes and seeing smiles on faces. So that's what I aim for myself throughout my life, seeing smiles on faces.
I think you asked me about my kids and Shah Rukh earlier on about media and all of that and how it affects you, the whole family. because they are popular. But I think because of who he is, there are a lot of positives. I only take the positive, I don't take the negative. Even if there are some negatives, I have to brush it aside. The reason is very simple, because he helped me launch Gauri Khan Designs. So he's very important to me. I have to say that. No, but that's jokes apart. That we are in. Well, he has done a lot. He's a great father. He's a great husband, and I have to say that there's only positive being his wife, and I would not like to share anything negative.
Whether they win, if he would have been a CM, the CM or not, it wouldn't have mattered to me personally, because it is about the kind of person he is. That's what attracted me towards him. So it would always be there. And in terms of negative and positive points about being a CM's wife, so there are both sides to it, but you have to take it in a different manner. So whenever stones are thrown at you, but those are constructive stones, you have to take them positively. And if something is just for distraction, for negativity, you have to realize that, understand that, and just brush it off. So it is about your perception about your life, not other people's perception.
मैं बस इतना ही कहना चाहूँगी आज के अवार्ड को, जैसे मैंने पहले ही बोला है कि इन ऐसे लोगों ने इतना इन्होंने काम किया है ग्रास रूट से लेके, और मुझे खुशी है उनको ये अवार्ड देने में। और ऐसे ही हम सभी को जितना भी होता है, हर किसी ने इस तरह के काम करना चाहिए, एक दूसरे की मदद करनी चाहिए। दैट्स इट। और मुझे खुशी है कि हम लोग भी इसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं, ऐसे काम।